Meaning of garden center.
Garden center.
Garden center.
Garden center.
Garden center. A garden center is a retail store that specializes in selling plants, gardening tools, and other outdoor living products. It is a one-stop shop for all things related to gardening, landscaping, and horticulture. Garden centers usually offer a wide range of products including flowers, shrubs, trees, vegetable plants, seeds, fertilizers, compost, garden furniture, and outdoor decor. They can also provide expert advice on plant care, soil maintenance, and pest control. Many garden centers also offer workshops, classes, and events to educate and inspire customers to grow and enjoy their own gardens. Overall, garden centers are a valuable resource for anyone interested in gardening and outdoor living.